Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on an LED and make it blink. And to do so we should go to CubeID and create a new project. Let's wait. Here you should select your board. I'm using a discovery board. Next, the name of the project, LED, and finish. Yes. Here the first step is to clear all the pinouts. And then connect your LED to one of the pins. Mine is already connected to PG13, so I make it output. Then go to clock. Yes. And that's all. Let's save it. Do not be worried about the clock configuration. I will explain it later in other videos. Here just focus on the coding. Here I want to toggle the PG13, so I should use HAL GPIO toggle pin. My port is G. My pin is 13, and I give it a delay every 600 milliseconds. So here my LED will toggling every 600 milliseconds. Let's build it. And no errors, no warning, which means we can load it on the board. So let's load it. Go to debugger and ST-Link. Because I'm using ST-Link as a connector, and scan the board. Okay. And let's go on the board to see if my LED is blinking or not. Yes, as you can see, it's blinking every 600 milliseconds. As you can see, it's very straightforward. So let's go to another project.